So, very good morning, dear smarts. This is spoken English class. If you know the structures, you can easily interaction with any others. You can easily communicate. So, know the structure, save in your brain and use properly. Then you can easily interact forever, anywhere. So on that way, I am going to introduce to you. It's very important. Already you know all these words. All these words. These words are all very knowing words. Friends also, I think. For our basic class onwards, these are all our friends words. Those are am, is, are. Present tense be forms. Actually, each and every verb has five forms. Five forms. Already I told you. Be has 8 forms. Am, is, are. Present tense was, were. Being, be. Be. There are 8 forms. Aparajitudu has 3 forms. Here the be has 8 forms. What does the be means? The meaning of be in Telugu, unnadi, unduta. It says be, the meaning says unduta. State of action, state. Unduta. Unnadi, unnadu. Undenu, undiri, untaru. So like, anyhow, did you get clarity? What is the meaning of be? Be. The forms of be also in the present tense am, is, are. Am, is, are. These are the present tense be forms. You have been knowing from your childhood onwards am, is, are. How to use in our communication structurally am, is, are. Actually, am, is, are sometimes these acts like helping verbs. Here I am going to explain be forms. Am, is, are. These are the acting only the main verbs. Without verb there is no sentence formation. But am, is, are also the verbs. Am was been, is was been, are were been, are were been. So here, as we said in the previous, positive or negative sentences, interrogative. Okay, dear smarts. Actually, in this table, everything individually you have known everything, but it's a combination wide structurally how to use. Already so many times we use all this. Here, present tense be forms am, is, are we use. Positive, negative as usual. With I always we use I am, we are, you are, they are, he is, she is, it is. Here it's a name or profession or adjective or in a place. Any of these 4 we use be forms. Any of these 4. If you want to say, if you want to ask questions, we use be forms, am, is, are. If negative, we use before that not, we add not only. For example, here First, know the asking questions. Generally, if any person is made, how are you? How are you? How are you? Who are you? Who are you? The only the verb is the be form are here. There is no other action word. Are is the action word. Who are you? How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am good. There also we use am. I am fine. I am good. How is your father? My father is good. How is your mother? My mother is good. How is your grandparents? My grandparents are not feeling well recently. They are feeling badly. It's like we are interacting. What is your father? My father is a cultivator, a farmer. My father is a teacher. Once you remember, what is your father? So many times you ask that question. Where are you? Where are you going? I am going to. And why are you here? Why are you here? I am here because of some urgent work to meet so and so persons. Who is she? How is he? What is your father? Why is she here? It's like we are asking questions. These are double-edged questions. Again here, interrogative. Yes or no answer questions. Here name, profession, adjective, in place. For example, we don't know particularly that person. We don't know. Are you Ramesh? We ask like that. Are you Ramesh? Yes, I am Ramesh. What do you want? Otherwise, if not, I am not Ramesh. I am Suresh. It's like this is the name. Otherwise, profession. Are you a teacher? Is she a doctor? Is he an actor? Is he a carpenter? Like, is he a carpenter? Is she an artist? So, profession. If you want to say profession, if you want to ask profession about their profession also, we use be forms only. No other action word we use. Only be forms. Are you the mason? Are you a carpenter? Is he a doctor? Is he a profession? Like profession. Otherwise, adjective. A means here I represent adjective. Adjective means, for example, is he tall? Or is she short? Is she short? ఆమె పొట్టిగా ఉంటుందా? Is he tall? అతను పొడవుగా ఉంటాడా? Is he stout? అతను లావుగా ఉంటాడా? The stout, large, tall, short, these are all adjectives. The nature of that person. Is he fair in color? అతను తెల్లగా ఉంటాడా? Or is she black in color? Or reddish hair? Bald headed? Is he bald headed? It's like if we add adjective, nature of that person, adjective. Sometimes we use it like that. Or in a place. In a place means, for example, is Modi in Hyderabad today? Is Modi in Delhi today? Is Chiranjeevi in Hyderabad today? Is your father at home? Is your mother at your home today? Is your brother? Slide. These are all name, place, name of the place. Otherwise, are you in Bangalore now? Otherwise, where are you now? Where are you now? Sometimes the friends conversation, how it's going on. Hi, hello Ramesh, where are you now? I am in Rajahmundry. When will you come? I will come at evening. So, first, where are you? I am in Vizag. When did you go Vizag? I went yesterday. When will you come? I will come tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Is there any some work pending there? Is there any some work? So on that way, so many times we use be forms. In be forms, we use only the action word as am, is, are in present tense. I discuss only now about the present tense. Be forms, how to use am, is, are only as main verbs. Here we are not using as helping verbs. Sometimes we are using as helping verbs also in continuous tense or progressive tense. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous we have. In those tenses we use am, is, are as helping verbs. Here we use direct verbs, direct action verbs. Have you understood? Is it clear? So, from this table, how can you write the conversations? For example, who are you? The first one, who are you? Who are you? Who are you? I am a man. Answer, what is the answer? I am a man. I am a man. Otherwise, how are you? How are you? Right question, right answer also. How are you? How are you? I am good. I am good, or I am fine. I am fine. What is your father? What is your father? What is your father? My father is a lawyer. The profession of your father. My father is a teacher or any other. My father is a teacher or farmer or any other profession. What are you? I am a businessman. So like we ask questions and write conversations. What is your father? Why is she here? Why is she here? She is here to meet some other person. Slide. And some name. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? I am at any other place. I am at Kakinada. I am at Gadala. For example, where are you now? If you are in big cities, we use before the city in. In Hyderabad, where are you now? If I am in Hyderabad, how would I say? Now I am in Hyderabad. I am at Gadala. It's a small village or small city, small villages. We use before that at. In big cities, we use in. In Hyderabad, in Kakinada, in Bombay, like that. In Vizag, like I am at Gadala. or so some more question answers you may practice, write on your notebook and practice, interact with your friends. Copy down this table, observe closely each and everything. Here name, profession, P means here profession, A means adjective or in place. In place means where are you, the place where they are, the right now. This is the B forms present. Selected, practice some more questions. Our fifth question. Is he stout? Is he stout? No, he is not stout. No, answer no. He is not stout. Or is she fair in color? Fair in color? Fair in color? Yes, she is fair in color. Fair in color. It's like you may write some more sentences. Use these am, is, are, and I will use they, he, she, it. Always we write am with I, we with are, you with are, they are, she is, he is, it is. Did you get clarity? What is name, profession, adjective, in a place? And these four types of questions we use B forms. This is the present tense B forms. I am going to explain tomorrow past tense B forms, how to use. So take any one action word, write some sentences. Copy down. I wish you good luck, guys. All the best.